Do you dream of a custom home, but worry about navigating the complex world of financing? You're not alone. The journey from blueprint to move-in day can be a maze, especially when it comes to securing a construction loan that actually fits your project and your timeline. It's a huge undertaking, and the last thing you want is a lending process that slows down your momentum or adds unexpected stress. That's where a partner like Patriot Bank can make all the difference. We understand that building a home is a deeply personal and significant investment. It's not just about bricks and mortar, it's about creating a space for your life. That's why we've tailored a construction loan process that's designed to be transparent, flexible, and supportive from start to finish. Today, we're going to walk through exactly what that process looks like, demystifying the Patriot Bank construction loan experience so you know exactly what to expect when you decide to build your dream home with us. The entire process essentially breaks down into 3 key phases. Phase 1, application and approval. This is where we get to know your project. You'll work closely with one of our specialized loan officers. You'll provide your plans, your project budget, and standard financial documentation. Unlike many larger institutions, we pride ourselves on a personalized underwriting approach. We look at the strength of your entire project, not just a rigid formula. Once approved, we establish a single loan that will carry you through the construction phase and seamlessly transition into your permanent mortgage, often referred to as a construction-to-permanent loan. This crucial feature means you only have one closing, saving you time and money. Phase 2, the build and the draw process. This is the active construction period. As your contractor completes specific stages, like foundation, framing, or roofing, they'll need to be paid. This is handled through what we call the draw process. Your construction loan officer will coordinate with an independent inspector to verify the work is complete and meets the required standards. Once approved, the funds are released quickly to the builder. Patriot Bank understands the need for speed here. Stalling payments stalls the whole project. We strive for a fast turnaround on every draw request to keep your build on schedule. You only pay interest on the money that has actually been drawn, keeping your monthly costs low during the build. Phase 3, conversion to permanent mortgage. Congratulations, the final coat of paint is dry. Once construction is complete, the loan automatically converts into your long-term, permanent mortgage. That's the permanent part of the construction-to-permanent loan. Because we already underwrote you and the property at the beginning, this conversion is smooth and requires no second closing, no additional fees, and no requalification. You simply begin making your standard mortgage payments at the predetermined rate and term. Building a home doesn't have to mean constant financial anxiety. With Patriot Bank, you get a dedicated team, a streamlined process, and the flexibility to ensure your build stays on track and within budget. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.